Welcome to this free Blogger tutorial for beginners. In this step-by-step video, I will show you how to create your very first blog using Blogger. You don't need to know anything about websites or design. All you need is a Google account and a few minutes to learn. First, let's understand what Blogger is. Blogger is a free blogging platform owned by Google. It allows you to create a blog and publish posts easily. You don't need to install anything. It works directly in your web browser. Blogger takes care of hosting your blog, which means your blog will be live on the internet without you having to pay for anything. Now, open your browser and go to blogger.com. If you're not signed into your Google account, it will ask you to sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to the Blogger dashboard. If this is your first time using Blogger, it will ask you to create a blog. Click on the button that says Create New Blog. A pop-up window will appear. You'll need to enter the title of your blog. This is the name of your blog. It can be anything you want. For example, Healthy Life Tips or My Travel Journal. Try to pick a name that matches what your blog is about. Next, you'll see the option to create a blog address. This is the web address where people will visit your blog. It will end with blogspot.com. For example, if you type Healthy Tips 2025, your blog's address will be healthytips2025.blogspot.com. Make sure your blog address is available. If it is already taken, try something else. Then you need to choose a theme. Themes decide how your blog will look. Blogger gives you a list of free themes. Don't worry too much about this now. You can change your theme later. Just pick one that looks simple and clean. After that, click the Create Blog button. You now have your blog. It's live and you can start posting. You'll now see the main dashboard. On the left side, you have the main menu. Let's go through the important parts. The first item is Posts. This is where you will create and manage your blog posts. Blog posts are the main content of your blog. Think of them as articles or journal entries. Click on the New Post button. This opens the post editor. At the top, type your post title. This is the headline of your blog post. Below that is the content area. This is where you write your post. You can format your text, add images, insert links, and more. You can also use labels. Labels are like tags. They help organize your posts by topics. On the right side, you have post settings. Here you can change the publish date, set the permalink, or allow or disallow comments. When your post is ready, click on Publish. Your post is now live on your blog. You can see it by clicking View Blog in the left menu. Next, let's look at the Pages section. Pages are different from posts. Pages are for static content like About Me, Contact, or Privacy Policy. Click on New Page to create one. The editor is the same as for posts. Write your content and publish it. Let's now go to the Layout section. This is where you design how your blog looks. Blogger uses a system of gadgets. Gadgets are small blocks of content like a search bar, profile, popular posts, or labels. You can add, remove, or move gadgets by clicking on Add a Gadget. A window will open with a list of available gadgets. For example, you can add a gadget that shows your recent posts or one that links to your social media. Click on the pencil icon to edit a gadget. You can change its title or settings. Use the drag and drop feature to move gadgets around the layout. When you're happy with the changes, click Save Layout. Next, go to the Theme section. This is where you can change the appearance of your blog. Click on Customize to open the Theme Designer. Here you can change fonts, colors, background images, and layout styles. Try to choose fonts and colors that are easy to read. Avoid using too many different styles. Keep your design clean and simple. Click Apply to save the changes. Under the Settings tab, you can adjust how your blog works. Let's go through the most important settings. The first section is Basic. Here, you can change your blog title, description, and privacy settings. Make sure your blog is visible to search engines. This helps people find your blog on Google. Scroll down to Publishing. This shows your blog address. If you want to connect a custom domain, you can do that here. A custom domain is something like yourblog.com instead of yourblog.blogspot.com. You'll need to buy a domain from a domain registrar. Next is the Permissions section. Here, you can add authors to your blog. You can also make your blog private if you only want selected people to view it. Go to Post Settings. You can change how many posts are shown on the main page. You can also enable or disable comments. If you get too many spam comments, you can choose to moderate them before they appear. The Email section lets you post to your blog by email. You can also get notifications when someone comments on your blog. Now, let's talk about writing a good blog post. Start with a clear and catchy title. Your first paragraph should tell the reader what the post is about. Use short paragraphs and simple language. Add headings if the post is long. Use images to make it more interesting. Images can be added by clicking the image icon in the editor. You can upload from your computer or add from a URL. Always use images that you have the right to use. Before publishing, read your post again and check for errors. A well-written post helps you look more professional. After publishing several posts, you may want to organize your blog. Use labels to group related posts. For example, if you blog about food, use labels like breakfast, lunch, or recipes. Labels appear in the sidebar if you add the Labels gadget. Let's talk about traffic. To get people to visit your blog, share your posts on social media. You can also comment on other blogs. Join blogging communities and forums. The more you share your blog, the more people will visit. Now let's talk more about comments. Comments are a very important part of your blog. They allow your readers to interact with you and with each other. When someone leaves a comment, they're giving feedback, asking a question, or sharing their own thoughts on your post. This builds a sense of community around your blog. To manage comments, go to the Comments section in the Blogger dashboard. Here, you'll see all the comments that have been published, waiting for approval, or marked as spam. You can reply to comments, delete them, or mark them as spam if they are inappropriate. In your settings, you can choose whether people can comment freely, if they must sign in with a Google account, or if you want to review comments before they appear. If you want to make money with your blog, you can apply for Google AdSense. This allows ads to show on your blog. You get paid when people click on the ads. To apply, go to the Earnings tab in the dashboard. If your blog meets the requirements, you will see the option to apply. Make sure your blog has useful content before applying. It should also follow Google's rules. You must be at least 18 years old to use AdSense. You can also make money by promoting products or services. This is called affiliate marketing. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can sign up for affiliate programs and add links to your blog posts. Always let your readers know when a post has affiliate links. This builds trust. Let's now talk about maintaining your blog. Try to post regularly. It doesn't have to be every day. Once a week or even twice a month is fine, as long as you stay consistent. Reply to comments. Update old posts if information changes. Keep your layout clean and easy to navigate. Check your traffic using the Stats section. You can see how many people visit your blog, what posts they read, and where they come from. This helps you understand what your audience likes. You can also use Google Search Console and Google Analytics for more detailed information. Both are free and work well with Blogger. If you ever want to back up your blog, go to the Settings tab, scroll down to Manage Blog, and click Backup Content. This saves your posts and pages as an XML file. It's good to keep a backup in case something goes wrong. You can also export your blog if you want to move it to another platform in the future. And that's it. You've now learned how to create, design, and manage a blog using Blogger in 2025. It's completely free and easy to use. With a little time and effort, your blog can grow into something amazing. Keep learning, keep improving your writing, and enjoy the process.